Hi, my name is Jo and I'm doing a review for AO.com. They kindly sent me the Hisense fridge freezer to review, which is model number RB320D4WG1. It has an energy rating of A plus 1 star. The fridge freezer is actually very nice. It's nice and slim. As I have a small kitchen, it fits in lovely. It has a water dispenser at the front, which you can lock and unlock, which stops the children from messing around with it. Inside, you have the first compartment, which holds your eggs. You have the second compartment, which holds like all your condiments, and underneath that is also the water unit, which you have to take all of this out in order to keep refilling up the water when it runs out. You also have the milk compartment, which stores easily for 2 fours of milk, and you can fit your juice in at an angle there. In the fridge itself, it has 2 shelves. It has nowhere to, it could do with a rack, a wine rack or bottle rack to store drink or juice. It is not a frost-free freezer, as you can see from the back, it's already frosted. It has the temperature gauge at the side, which you can just turn the dial to the temperature you want it. It has a good size fruit and vegetable crisper. In the freezer, it has 4 drawers, which are really good size drawers. They're quite long. The water dispenser is very easy to use. You can just unlock it, get your cup, push it onto the back bit, and the water comes out. The bottom tray bit is not big enough to put your cup there, so you have to physically hold your cup. Thank you very much for your time, and that is my review for the Hisense fridge freezer. Thank you.